Hello friends, today's topic Union Budget offers a lot of happiness for middle class. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Education of Society. The Finance Minister presented the Union Budget for 2025-26 today. The government has decided to change a few things, especially with respect to taxation. Following are the highlights of the budget 2025-26. These highlights are being presented with points which are useful to the common man. Number one, change in tax slabs in new tax regime. Income tax, what was there in 2024-25, I am not going to cover. I'm only going to talk about the changes in 2025-26. 0 to 4 lakhs, nil, 4 to 8 lakhs, 5%, 8 to 12 lakhs, 10%, 12 to 16 lakhs, 15%, 16 to 20 lakhs, 20%, 20 to 24 lakhs, 25%, 24 lakhs and above, 30%. For people who earn up to 12 lakhs per annum, there is no tax to be paid since there will be rebate in income up to that income level. Earlier, there was no income tax to be paid for income up to 7 lakhs per annum. The new tax slabs will save an amount of 50,000 to 1 lakh 10,000 for different income slabs between 12 to 15 lakhs. This is likely to help save more money for consumption or investment. However, stock market did not react very positively to this tax change. 2. There is no change in capital gains tax. There were many changes already made in the interim budget July 2024 itself. 3. Investors can now claim nil valuation for two self-occupied properties instead of just one, which is a positive development for residential real estate investment. Earlier, homeowners could only claim one self-occupied property as tax-free, since for the second home, notional rental income from a second home needed to be declared. 4. Nearly 85% of 7.5 crore tax return flyers to get relief, as the government has provided tax relief to those earning till rupees 12 lakhs per annum. 5. New income tax bill to be tabled next week in the parliament. 6. TDS limit on senior citizen deposit interest raised to rupees 1 lakh from 50,000. 7. Through income tax changes, an additional rupees 1 lakh crore will be available in the hands of taxpayers. In other words, the government has returned 1 lakh crore to consumers in financial year 2005 and 26. This was the reason for consumption stocks such as FMCG doing well today. 8. The government has proposed to have daycare cancer centers in all district hospitals. 9. Broadband connectivity to be provided to all government secondary schools and primary health centers in rural areas. 10. Goal of adding 75,000 medical seats in the next 5 years. 11. With a fund of rupees 1.5 lakh crore, 50-year interest-free loans will be available for states for capital expenditure. 12. Governments hope for regional air connectivity to 120 new destinations and carry 4 crore passengers the next 10 years. 13. Top 50 tourist destination sites to be developed in partnership with states. 14. Mudra loans available for homestays to promote tourism. 15. FDI limit for the insurance sector will be raised from 74% to 100%. This will encourage foreign companies to start operating in India and increase the competition for existing companies. 16. Where revenue comes from. Income category, borrowing and liabilities 24%, income tax 22%, excise duties 5%, GST and other taxes 18%, corporate tax 17%, customs duty 4%, non-tax receipts, interest and fees 10%. Where money is being spent. Interest payments 20%, central government schemes 16%, major subsidies 6%, defense 8%, state share of taxes and duties 22%, pensions 4%, centrally sponsored schemes 8%, finance commissions 8%, other expenditure 8%. Major expenditure category defense 4,91,732 crores, rural development 2,66,817 crores, home affairs 2,33,211 crores, agriculture and allied activities 1,71,437 crores, education 1,28,650 crores, health 98,311 crores, urban development 96,777 crores, IT and telecom 95,298 crores, energy 81,174 crores. Apart from these, there were various welfare measures targeted to different sections of society. We have not listed them. Stock markets were very volatile today and traded both positive and negative. However, it closed almost flat, down 0.1%. In the coming days, when the finance minister presents the new tax bill in parliament, we will need to see if any major changes are proposed for next financial year 2025-26. End of the video, here is the question. Are you happy that the change in income tax slabs resulted in lower taxes for middle class? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.